General Finishes provides a wide range of wood finishing products tailored to meet the needs of homeowners, woodworkers, and DIY enthusiasts. Our offerings include water-based and oil-based finishes, as well as maintenance products designed for various applications. Comprehensive videos are available for each product on YouTube, plus dynamic comparison charts at generalfinishes.com/compare. All General Finishes water-based products are VOC compliant in all 50 states, water cleanup, low odor, and non-flammable. General Finishes has the following interior water-based clear and pigmented finishes. High-performance water-based top coat is an interior polyurethane acrylic blend. It's clear drying, highly resistant to water and household chemicals. Apply with brush or sprayer. Flat out flat water-based top coat is an interior acrylic formulation. It's clear drying. It provides an extremely flat finish with durability. Apply with a brush or sprayer. Enduro 2 water-based top coat is an interior oil-modified water-based urethane. It dries to a light amber tone, is made with over 50% renewable resources. Apply with a brush or sprayer. Water-based milk paint is a premium interior and exterior rated acrylic formulation. It's self-sealing and does not require a top coat. It's made with over 50% renewable resources and is available in 12 popular colors plus 2 tint bases. Apply with brush, roller, or sprayer. Water-based Glaze Effects is an interior acrylic formula. Available in 6 colors, is a decorative specialty finish that can be intermixed to create custom colors. It requires a top coat. Apply with a brush, roller, or sprayer. General Finishes has an extremely durable water-based floor coating. Pro Image is an interior polyurethane, is clear drying, it levels to a smooth, hard, durable finish, provides excellent slip and black heel mark resistance. Apply with a brush, a roller, or pad applicator. Let's talk about our interior water-based stains. Water-based wood stain is made with over 50% renewable resources. It's available in 18 deep, brilliant colors and provides universal coverage on many wood species. Apply with a brush or sprayer. Water-based pre-stain conditioner is used to control blotching on hard-to-stain woods and to reduce water-based wood stains. Apply with a brush or sprayer. Water-based dye stain is a penetrating stain with ink-like consistency. It's available in 14 vibrant colors and can be used as a toner. Apply with a brush or sprayer. Water-based dye stain reducer is the clear base used to reduce dye stain colors. Here's General Finishes' exterior lineup. Exterior 450 clear water-based top coat is a polyurethane formulation that's tintable. It contains UV absorbers and mildewcides to protect the finish. It dries clear. Apply with a brush or sprayer. Exterior 450 white water-based top coat is a pigmented polyurethane formulation that's tintable and contains UV absorbers and mildewcides to protect the finish. Apply with brush, roller, or sprayer. Exterior 450 water-based stain is made with over 50% renewable resources, available in 10 colors, including a clear base, and contains UV absorbers and mildewcides to protect the finish. Apply with a brush or sprayer. Water-based milk paint is a premium interior and exterior rated acrylic formulation. It's self-sealing and does not require a top coat. It's made with over 50% renewable resources and is available in 12 popular colors plus 2 tint bases. Apply with brush, roller, or sprayer. Outdoor oil is a penetrating oil wood preservative and contains UV absorbers and mildewcides to protect the film. This finish will amber as it ages. This is a maintenance product. Reapply when wear becomes evident. Apply with a brush, roller, or sprayer. Here are traditional oil-based coatings by General Finishes. Gel Satin Top Coat is a heavy-bodied, no-drip oil in urethane formula. It's designed to provide a hand-rub look and will amber as it ages. Apply with a brush or wiping on. Gel Oil-Based Stain is a heavy-bodied, no-drip formula and available in 14 deep, rich, uniform colors. Apply with a brush, roller, or wiping on. Armor Seal Oil-Based Top Coat is a penetrating sealer with high-quality urethane formulation. It provides long-lasting, durable protection and works beautifully on projects with detail. This finish will amber as it ages. Apply with a brush or wipe on. Liquid Oil-Based Wood Stain is a traditional pigmented liquid wiping stain that is available in 14 colors. Can be used as a toner with Armor Seal. Apply with a brush or wiping on. Oil-based pre-stain conditioner is designed to control blotching on hard-to-stain woods and penetrates the grain to promote uniform acceptance of oil stains. Apply with a brush or wiping on. Oil-based Sealacell Clear is formulated with a blend of oils, urethanes, and wax. Is GF's deepest penetrating close to the wood sealer and is the best choice for highlighting figured wood. Apply with a brush or wiping on. Hard Wax Oil is a high solids urethane polymer in a blend of oil and wax that is available in 7 colors and enhances the natural look of the wood and is one of our easiest finishes to use. It's best used with optional GF hardener to shorten dry time and provide superior durability. Reapply when wear becomes evident. Apply with a white pad or a plastic spreader. Oil-based Wood Bowl Finish is a pure urethane formulation that highlights figured wood beautifully. Apply with a brush or wiping on. Let's look at our interior maintenance products. Butcher Block Oil is a mineral oil formulation that meets all requirements for use on wooden surfaces that come in contact with food. This is a maintenance product. Reapply when wear becomes evident. Apply with a cloth. Orange Oil is a routine cleaner for cured wood finishes that is non-combustible with a fresh orange scent. Apply with a cloth. Satin Finishing Wax is a blend of waxes that produces a soft sheen and feel over any wood finish. Can be used as a polish for rubbing out new finishes or as a scratch remover. Apply with a cloth. No matter what your finishing project is, General Finishes has the right product for you. General Finishes is dedicated to using the highest quality ingredients in all our products while testing and advancing our water-based finishes with leading-edge technology. Learn more about GF's premium products at generalfinishes.com. General Finishes, we make tomorrow's finishes today.